Refugees along Thailand's border with Myanmar suffer injury, loss of life, and loss of their homes due to fires that are largely preventable. A lack of fire-safe alternatives to charcoal cook stoves and candles, flammable housing materials, and a lack of public awareness about risky fire behaviors leads to these fire disasters. Our social innovation has two main parts and is a result of extensive interviews with former refugees from Thailand's camps. First, we propose a comprehensive safety education campaign, much like the Smokey the Bear campaign that you see in the US. If refugees are able to connect their own fire use with the disastrous outcomes suffered every year in the camps, they will be more motivated to modify behaviors that contribute to the problem. We found that the culprits of risky fire behaviors are often children, so by creating a fun, kid-friendly campaign that can be incorporated into the scouting programs already used in many refugee camp schools, kids will go from being part of the problem to becoming part of the solution. Second, we propose a microfinance program that would incentivize refugees to swap out the candles they currently use at home for safer and more cost-effective solar lanterns. For as little as $5, solar lanterns can be purchased and financed to the refugees at the same cost as they are currently paying to buy a weekly supply of candles. The solar lanterns will last long after they've been paid off, and the best part is the paid loans will be reinvested into purchasing more solar lanterns. The initial investment in solar lanterns and the operational costs to get this program off the ground is the only funding this project requires, as it will eventually grow to be self-sustaining. Our hope is that entrepreneurial refugees will begin producing their own fire-safe equipment to sell. With seed funding provided by the Global Social Innovation Challenge, our team will be able to buy hundreds of solar lanterns and start a fire safety program before the end of this year. So don't just talk about innovation, invest in our project, and together we will make it happen.